Hello everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do a full Christmas nail design. For the ring finger here I'm going to start off with an encapsulated nail. I'm laying down some gold flakes as my background, and then I'm going to be using this really fun Christmas confetti. I really like this confetti because it has a lot of fun shapes to it. Yeah, like a mix of snowflakes, a wreath, Santa Claus, candy canes, things like that. I got this from my local nail supply store. And that Santa Claus cracks me up. So I'm gonna lay everything down. And once everything is in place, I'm going to use plastic wrap to kind of hold everything down and keep the edges in. This is a really useful tip for when you're trying to encapsulate a nail because you won't have to worry so much about the edges coming up. I'm going to cap it with some clear acrylic. I think I'm using Young Nails clear acrylic here. Now the nails are going to look a little thicker with the encapsulation because I'm using full length tips on my practice hand. I don't really like doing the whole, half tips and then gluing them on my practice hand. It's kind of a pain in the butt to soak off later on, so I'd rather use full length tips for practicing. Here I'm going in with the Young Nails Cover White, I believe. This is my favorite white acrylic because it's not a full-on opaque white. It's more of like a soft, milky white acrylic. A lot of my clients love this white as well. So once this is laid down, I like to kind of cap it with a clear acrylic. I usually cap all of my acrylic, especially colored acrylic, with clear because when it comes to filing later on, I don't want to file off any of the color. And for the pinky finger, I am using Bold Digger by Glam and Glitz in their color blend collection. I thought this was a really pretty red glitter to use for the holidays. And once this is done, I'm going to cap it with clear as well. I am using my Honey Femme disposable nail file here. I love this hand file. I've been trying to look for a nice sturdy file to use. I have used the Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, which I found to be too, I don't want to say flimsy, but it just wasn't what I was looking for. I have a heavy hand, so I feel like I need something sturdy when I'm filing. So I'm kind of going over the nails, smoothing everything out. I'm just using a sanding band to go over everything. I'm buffing everything out with my white block buffer. For the middle finger, I am going to do a little bit of nail art, so I want to make sure that I have a nice smooth surface to draw on. And I'm cleansing the nails with alcohol and a lint-free wipe. For the index finger, I am using Ivy by the gel bottle. And this is a really pretty, kind of glitzy green, has some metallic in there, it's shiny. And in the excitement of doing candy stripes, I actually forgot to top coat this middle finger. I usually top coat the nail that I'm going to do nail art on, because I find that if I don't top coat it, then the colors tend to bleed a little bit. Not a whole lot, but I feel like it's not as smooth as I want it to be. So I'm using my long striper brush from OPI, I believe. Or maybe it's C&D, I'll have to double check that. But it's super handy, especially when it comes to drawing long lines across the nail. It definitely makes the application a lot smoother. So the three colors that I am using for the striping, the red color is from the gel bottle as well as in candy. The green, I just used Ivy again, and then for the gold stripes here, I am using Art Deco, and this is all from the gel bottle. Okay, so once everything is in place, I am going to top coat it and then put it in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I'm top coating the underside as well because it is a clear nail. And here is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Christmas nail design tutorial. I'll definitely try to upload more if I have time. Thanks, guys.